Starting with that update coming in from battleground Bihar, Tejasvi Yadav, the RJD's chief ministerial face, perhaps the chief ministerial face of Mahagathbandhan too, is filing his nomination. He has reached Raghopur with his family in a mega show of strength. Prashant Kishore, meanwhile, has said he will not be contesting the elections. Initially, it was speculated that Prashant Kishore is going to be the challenger in Raghopur, taking on Tejasvi Yadav. But earlier in the day, Prashant Kishore made it very clear in an interview to a news agency that he is not contesting the elections, even as Tejasvi Yadav gets ready to file his nomination papers from Raghopur. He's gone there with his entire family, Lalu Prasad Yadav, Ravli Devi, visible, walking with Tejasvi Yadav as he moves towards the nomination center. He's going to hand over his nomination papers to the district officials there, sealing his nomination from Raghopur, which has been considered a bastion for the Lalu Prasad Yadav family ever since he was at the thick of politics as far as RJD is concerned. This is a seat which is dominated by Yadavs, and Prashant Kishore taking on Tejasvi Yadav from here was considered a big challenge, but now that challenge has fizzled out. Aman Sharma is joining me live on the broadcast. Aman, you in fact spoke to Prashant Kishore during your visit to Bihar for election coverage. Did he indicate at any point that he was in two minds? Does this come as a surprise to you that Tejasvi Yadav is going in a way unchallenged, because Prashant Kishore was being seen as a big challenger?
Well, Arunima, yes, in this interview we did with Prashant Kishore, he had clearly told us that people of the state and his cadre want him to fight from either of the two seats. One seat is in Rohtas, which is his home seat, and one seat was Raghopur against Tejasvi Yadav. Prashant Kishore had told us that his home seat he's giving to somebody else. That candidate was announced that day, but it is a big possibility. He had said that he will fight from Raghopur against Tejasvi Yadav. On the 11th October, Prashant Kishore also spent the entire day in Raghopur, going to people, meeting them there, and this raised a lot of speculation that this could become the big fight in these Bihar elections. But Prashant Kishore has decided, in fact, not to contest the Bihar elections at all. That, I think, is a big in a way setback, I would feel, to his party's chances, because his party is essentially about himself, and if he is not contesting the elections and only wants to campaign for his candidates, we'll have to see what impact it has. But it is now that speculation has been laid to rest, and Prashant Kishore had decided he will not contest from any seat in Bihar. And Raghopur, as we all know, as you was just saying, is a bastion of the Yadav family. For the last 3 decades, the Yadav family has held on to this seat, which has nearly 70% Yadav votes.
Right. Madhuparna Das, in fact, is joining us live. She's tracking Tejasvi Yadav's nomination from Raghopur. Madhuparna, the pictures that we are putting out, Tejasvi Yadav going ahead and filing his nomination, but whatever happened to the seat sharing agreement in the Mahagathbandhan, there's still no word whether the Mahagathbandhan is together or the RJD and the Congress are going to go their Akla Chalo way.
Yes, Arunima, we are standing in front of the collectorate office, and Tejasvi Yadav just arrived to file his nomination. And let me just tell you, the mood here is electric. Thousands of workers, they have come here to support him, and they are waving flags, they are chanting slogans, and when we were just trying to talk to them, they are saying that everything will fall in place, even the seat sharing, the negotiation, everything will just fall in place, and they are calling it a beginning of Tejasvi wave. So that is how it is as of now. Also, Raghopur is the home turf for Tejasvi Yadav. It's just not a seat. It is an emotional, sentimental ground for him. And it is just not about retaining this seat. It is also about reassuring and reaffirming his leadership. So we tried to talk to the senior leaders as well. They are saying that we are not going to talk about it, as we all know that Tejasvi Yadav ji is our leader, and he'll make everything right. So as of now, the situation is right here, and we will get to know as it unfolds.
But Madhuparna, what is the view that you are gathering from the RJD supporters? Prashant Kishore's decision to not contest the Raghopur seat, how are the RJD supporters, the Tejasvi supporters reacting to that development?
So, you know what, Arunima, this RJD leaders and the workers, they are not even paying that much of heed to Prashant Kishore contesting or not contesting, at least they do not want to show that they are anyway, bothered about this development. They are saying that since 1998, barring this one exception in 2010, this particular seat has always been with always been with RJD, and it has been with Tejasvi Yadav since 2015. So he has been a two-term MLA from this seat, and they are saying that no matter what and no matter who contests, this is Tejasvi Yadav's seat, and he will increase the margin even more than the earlier elections.
Right, Madhuparna Das, thank you so much. Madhuparna there reporting from Raghopur, even as Tejasvi Yadav gets ready to file his nomination papers.